Okay, youngers, if you are a puppeteer and I've got no strings, these are your moves. Remembering that you start out smiling at the audience and holding out your imaginary sticks around waist level, waking up your puppet. I've got no strings to hold me down, to make me fret or make me frown. I had strings, but now I'm free. There are no strings on me. Solo, but you're still walking your puppet.